How fast do you respond to messages? Quickly or not so quickly on eBay? All things being equal, I would guess that a good seller who is highly successful answers messages far faster than a bad seller who doesn't sell as much. On the average, it just makes logical sense. When someone sends you a question about an item, they're interested in that item right then. They raised their hand and they're saying, hey, I have a question about this. I might want to buy it. Can you answer this? You know, this happens. Sometimes it will be, what color or how wide is this thing? And it's in your listing, the color and the width. But that's okay. People don't read all the details. On cell phones, all the description doesn't even come up most of the time. And if you just don't want to answer questions that you've already answered in your listing, you're hurting nobody but yourself, because this buyer is immediately going to go to someone else if you don't get back to her quickly. eBay used to track how long it takes us to respond to messages on the average, and we know that because the older version of the listings quality report, we've talked about the listings quality report before, that report used to tell us the average response time for how long it takes us on the average to answer a message sent to us. So we know that is an important statistic, or as we say in Oklahoma, statistic. eBay wouldn't track something they don't think is important. It no longer appear on the current listings quality report, and it's still considered to be in its beta mode. So maybe they will add average response time to messages in the future, but we know that eBay takes that seriously because they used to track it and probably still do. But whether eBay tracks it or not, you need to get back to your potential buyers as quickly as possible. They're raising their hand. You need to call on them in the classroom of eBay and say, I want to help you. Let me know what you need. I'm going to respond to you right now. I don't understand eBay sellers who ghost messages. Whenever buyers ask questions and they ghost them, they never answer. I mean, some sellers, they treat these buyers having questions like a marriage proposal and they disappear for 6 months. Their feedback score long ago stopped being positive, and now it's in the emotionally unavailable range. That's how bad it is. Why don't you answer questions buyers have? Now, I assume most of you don't have that problem. I assume most of you are trying to improve your business. You're watching this channel. You're watching others like it. If you click like and subscribe, it helps show you channels like mine. If you like this sort of content, you'll get more YouTubers offering exactly this kind of content, how to use eBay to sell more. So like and subscribe. It helps me, but it helps you see more videos like this. Help me, help you. I want you to always be in the habit. Check messages throughout the day on your phone. Consciously check for messages throughout the day and in evenings, and just check messages. And if a buyer has a question, answer the question. Now, I've told you the importance. As soon as eBay tells you you can send an offer on one or more items, you should send them. The moment you see that, you should send them. You should not only check for messages, but you should check to see if any offers are available for you to send. Has a buyer looked at something of yours more than once or twice and might be triggered into buying that if you sent that buyer an offer, a discount? Now, something came up today that often comes up in my eBay business that I think you should be conscious of, and that is I always answer questions before I send offers. If I see that I can send some offers, I first check eBay messages, always, because sometimes a buyer has a question, and by asking a question about an item, they have been on that description page long enough for eBay to think they might need an offer in order to buy this. So eBay lets me know one of the offers I can send might be on an item someone's asked a question on. I never send an offer right away to anyone who's asked me a question about that item, and you should not either. You need to think through the dynamics of what is going on. It happened today. It happens a lot. Someone had a question. Their question was, do you ship to Germany? My answer was, yes, yeah. We ship everywhere. Why do I say answer messages before you send offers? It's because if someone, like they did today for me, if someone sends me a question and I answer the question first, and then I see I can send an offer to that person, I don't send that person an offer. Not for a day, because in my answer of their question, I might have talked them into buying the item. And that's what happened. As soon as I said, yes, we ship everywhere, within 30 minutes, they bought the item from me. Now, if I had gone ahead and sent them an offer, I would have less money in my pocket right now than I did 3 hours ago, because they were interested in my item. They raised their hand and asked me a question. They needed the answer. I answered quickly, so they didn't have to go to some other seller. They liked my answer and bought my item. The bottom line is this: answer messages before you send offers. Every time you've got offers to send, first check to see if you have messages. If any message is related to one of those offers you can send, don't send the offer, or at least send it next day. Give this potential buyer a chance to think over your answer and decide, does that talk them into buying it? Now, maybe they want a different color. They said, I can't really tell if this jacket is dark purple or dark navy blue or black. Which is it? What's the color? And you answer, even though you answered it in the listing, you go ahead and answer the question, and they might think, well, oh, it's black, I want a dark blue. Okay, fine. Just because you answer doesn't mean they're going to buy. But a lot of times your answer is going to be what they want, and once in a while, they're going to buy because you answered swiftly and it was the answer they wanted. This is one of the few times you don't immediately send an offer the moment you see it. If they've asked a question, put it off until the next day because they very likely will go ahead and buy it at full price because their question's answer you gave in a timely manner was great. It's what they wanted. This is the item they want. Click, boom, they buy it. You'll make more money if you answer messages before you send offers. You have offers that are available